Hello and welcome to my anime fall 2013 first show preview video. Now, show starting today is Coppelion, which is looks very interesting, to be honest. So just to recap on what Coppelion's about. I mean, I know I've said it before, but I'll just recap. Basically, Coppelion is about in 2016, there is a nuclear sort of disaster in Tokyo that basically makes everyone needs to evacuate the whole of Tokyo and the whole area. Now, this show was meant, just before I carry on, because I know that sounds like what I've just said sounds like a real life thing that happened in Tokyo a couple of years ago. That's because it is. Basically, Coppelion was supposed to air back in 2011. It was meant to air in 2011, but because of the nuclear disaster that happened in Tokyo, which is almost exactly the same as the beginning of Coppelion, they thought, oh, we can't air this now, so they've delayed it until it starts today. It's delayed it until 2013. So that happens. There's a nuclear disaster at the start of the show. 20 years pass after the city's been evacuated, and this group of girls, it's like a special rescue team of girls known as Coppelion, go in to find survivors if they can. That's basically the premise of the show. And the question is, why is it that the Coppelion team, the group of girls, why do they not need to wear special radiation suits when they go into the city? That's the question. So that's the premise of Coppelion. I've been very much looking forward to this show since I heard about it a couple of months ago. I am aware that there is a manga of it. I have not read it. I have no prior knowledge of the story of Coppelion other than the premise synopsis that I read a while ago. But I'm very much looking forward to this. It's going to be a really, really good series, in my opinion, I think. The story sounds extremely interesting, and the twist with the girls not wearing radiation suits is sounds like something that's going to show itself at some point throughout the series, quite obviously. So yeah, now, I said that I'm going to review Coppelion. And yes, I am going to review Coppelion. Now, I said that I was going to start reviewing Coppelion today, October the 2nd. It depends on when Coppelion airs in Japan. There's two things, right, that will decide whether I'll review it today or not. Because if I don't review it today, we'll review it tomorrow. If I review it today, these two things need to happen. Well, it will air in Japan today. That is confirmed. But this is what needs to happen. The website that I watch it on, which is kissanime.com, they need to translate it and sub it before it's now 20 past 11 in the morning. They need to sub it. It needs to air and they need to sub it by about 3:30 this afternoon, because after 3:30 this afternoon I won't be able to watch it, because I've got to go to work and I work evenings from 4 o'clock until 10. So if it's not up and subbed by 3:30, then I will have to review it tomorrow. To be honest, it's more likely that I'm going to have to review it tomorrow, but we'll wait and see. So Coppelion starts today. Whether I'll review it today or not, whether I'll even be able to watch it today, remains to be seen. If not, if I can watch it and review it today, then I will. If I can't, then I will watch it and review it tomorrow. The review will be up by tomorrow morning, at the latest. So there we go. That is my pre-show preview, if you want, and my review sort of how it's going to go down pretty much. So yeah, I will see you with my first episode review of the fall or autumn 2013 anime season, Coppelion, at some point in the next 24 hours. See you then.